Today, we will talk about how to cat-proof an apartment. Let's have a look at the details. As adorable as kittens and cats are, their claws and curious nature can wreak havoc on your clothes, furniture, and linens throughout your apartment. Thankfully, there's much you can do to cat-proof your apartment, so your new baby kittens don't destroy all of your possessions. You also need to remove hazards so that your cat is not injured or killed. The first step is checking your apartment and changing your habits. Test your screens. If you open your windows often, check to make sure your screens don't give easily under pressure. Some screens will pop out, letting your cat escape or even injuring your cat if it falls out of a second or third story apartment. Always check your dryer and dishwasher. Cats have a tendency to go where it's warm. When you're done using these appliances, make sure you close them so that your cat doesn't crawl in and get trapped. Put the lid down. Cats, especially kittens, can drown in a small amount of water, including your toilet bowl. In addition, older cats may want to drink from the not-so-clean water. Check your furniture. If you have furniture that reclines or has a lifting foot, always check underneath before putting it up. Cats love crawling in tight spaces, and you don't want to trap yours. Don't leave candles unattended. Cats can catch their fur on fire when they walk by. Tell your management about your cat. Because management may enter your apartment in an emergency, they should know you have a pet, so they don't let it out accidentally. The second step is removing hazards. Check for poisonous plants. Many plants are poisonous to cats. Some are only mildly so, while others can be deadly. Check each plant in your house to make sure they are not poisonous to your cat. Keep poisonous foods out of reach or put them away. You shouldn't have coffee, alcohol, chocolate, grapes, or raisins where your cat can eat them. And avoid feeding your cat extra salt, as she may not be able to process it properly. Put up any strings. Strings, such as the ones on blinds, are enticing to your cat. She can get tangled up in them or even strangle herself. Your cat also might be interested in cords for electronics, which have an obvious risk if she chews on them. Hide them or tie them up high when possible. Hide the chemicals away. Cleaning supplies and other household chemicals are often poisonous to cats, and your curious cat may try to get into a bottle if she can find one. Therefore, make sure you keep them put away in cabinets that your cat can't get into. Hide medicines. Like chemicals, medicines can be poisonous to your cats. Put them away in a medicine cabinet or cat-proof box, such as one with snap handles. Remove other toxic items. Cigarettes and batteries can also cause your cat problems. Make sure to keep these out of your cat's reach. And the third step is protecting your things in your apartment. Provide appropriate scratching places. If you live in an apartment, you want to protect it from your pet. Therefore, make sure you provide a place for your cat to scratch that's not the carpet. You can find inexpensive scratching boards at any pet store. Some are even made out of cardboard. Take down breakables. If you have knickknacks that are breakable, it's best to hide them away, even if you think they are out of your cat's reach. Clip your cat's claws. Clip your cat's toenails on a regular basis. That will help protect your furniture. Plus, it's better for your cat. Cover your furniture. A cat sheds. That's a fact of life. While you can't stop a cat from shedding, you can find covers for your furniture. They may not be the prettiest option, but you can pull them off when the company comes over. Plus, you can wash them periodically. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.